Good morning. Thank you for tuning in to your daily operations weather brief for Monday, September 23rd. Seeing some mostly sunny skies out there this morning. We will continue to see that throughout the day. Seeing temperatures a little bit above average as we're going towards the afternoon, seeing with temperatures into the mid 80s. We are going to see a slight chance of a light isolated rain shower as we go into the pre-dawn hours of tomorrow, but that looks to be only about a 20% chance at the very most, otherwise remaining in our dry period that we have been in for at least the next 6 days. Taking a look at our surface analysis across the region, we still have high pressure dominating pretty much the entire southeastern United States. There is that weak front here depicted on the map that's approaching the Appalachians with some very light rain showers. That's going to continue to march eastward as we go throughout the day today and into tonight. Most of the dynamics are going to remain north of the region. Can't rule out, like I said, a slight chance of an isolated shower, mainly after midnight tonight and into the pre-dawn hours of tomorrow, but only looking around a 15 to 20% chance of seeing any activity down here at Wallops. As of 8:15 a.m., seeing just a few clouds at 7,000 feet scattered, cirrus deck at 25,000 feet. Winds were from the south-southwest around 9 knots. Temperature of around 70 degrees. Relative humidity at 80%. Taking a quick look at our satellite this morning, there you see some mostly sunny skies pretty much across the entire mid-Atlantic. We do have a little bit more cirrus starting to move in from the west this morning. That'll become broken as we go towards the late morning into the early afternoon hours at that 25,000 foot level. Then you see those isolated showers associated with that front just to the west of the Appalachians, and those will continue to move eastward with that slight chance of an isolated shower as we go into late tonight. Taking a quick look at just a short-term model just to see how those showers are going to progress as we go throughout the day today. This is 2 p.m. Starting to see some shower activity just to the east of the Appalachians. As we go over the into this evening around 6 p.m., we will be seeing that slight chance of a shower near our nation's capital, but for the most part, most of the shower activity, as you can see, is going to remain well north of the area, really confined to the far northern portions of the Delmarva, and then running here around 2 a.m., only going to be seeing that very slight chance of an isolated shower, mainly between about 2 a.m. and 6 a.m. if we do see anything at all. So looking at our forecast for today, going to be seeing that high near 85 degrees early this afternoon. Southwesterly winds are going to increase just a little bit, around 9 to 14 knots and gusty as we go into the mid to late afternoon period. Then remaining southwesterly as we go into tonight as well. After that frontal passage, seeing those winds shift northwesterly by mid-morning tomorrow at around 8 to 13 knots. Seeing a pretty mild low tomorrow morning of around 69 degrees. Taking a look at our terminal forecast, going to just continue to see a few clouds at between 5 and 7,000 feet today, and then that cirrus deck will become broken as we go towards this afternoon. And then as we go into tonight, we'll see those clouds increase just a little bit in the mid-levels as we see that front approaching, possibly becoming broken at between 10 and 15,000 feet at times, mainly after midnight. And then we'll see those clouds decrease once we get towards the mid-morning hours of Tuesday, becoming a few at 2,500 feet, scattered at 6,000, broken at 10,000, and then continuing to clear out as we go later into the morning. For tomorrow, going to be mostly cloudy early, becoming partly cloudy by noon. It's going to be pleasant with a couple degrees lower temperature as we get a little behind that front with a high of 81 degrees, so pretty seasonable for this time of year. Tomorrow night going to be seasonable with a low of 59 under partly cloudy skies, and Wednesday looking like a very pleasant day out there with a partly cloudy skies and a seasonable high of 79 degrees. That'll do it for your daily operations weather brief. We'll be back at 10 a.m. for your full weather briefing and extended outlook. Have a great day.